When it comes to the maintenance of drill rigs and earth-moving equipment, there's only one name you need to remember: Complete Field Maintenance, Australia's mining maintenance specialists. As our name suggests, we offer a complete range of service exchange equipment and parts to get your equipment up and running with minimum downtime. Rotary heads, compressors, pump drive gearboxes, final drives, track assemblies, hydraulic motors, pumps, valves, cylinders, and complete cooler pack modules. We stock them all. All the big brands and OEM aftermarket parts. Complete Field Maintenance also specialises in customised drill service kits. We don't believe in one size fits all. That's why we liaise closely with our clients to determine exactly what they need and then build a customised service kit to accommodate modifications and usage. We can tailor service kits to suit a wide variety of mining and industrial applications. As a proud supporter of Australia's mining industry, you can trust the team at Complete Field Maintenance to provide you with quality parts and customised service kits. Call us for a quote. Complete Field Maintenance, Australia's drill product specialists.